Here's part 2 of our Haro build, and got some parts together that I hopefully are gonna work out well. And got a rival rear derailleur. I have the mechanical disc brake parts. This is the front, I believe. I think that's the front. Yeah, that's the front. And this is the front, and that's the back. Okay. I got a bologna crank set. Came with a bottom bracket. There's the other half. They're 170, which is kind of nice. And yeah, hopefully I think that'll work out. Gearing is a little low, but that's fine. I think it's if I recall right, it's a 26 by 36. But what's nice about these is this pattern is a 104, readily available, so you can change sizes rather easily. There's a little bit of a quandrum. I have this LX front derailleur, but I also have this Dior front derailleur, and I think I might go with the Dior because the cage is a little shorter, and I think if I upgrade to, say, like a 42, this is not going to be a problem. So we got that going for us. I got L2. It's two shifters. The R2s are 7-speed. The R3s, I believe, are 8 or 9. Yeah, I think they're 8. And then the R4s, and then R9 is an 11-speed. So, yeah, this should work. I think this came off of the Trail G1. Came off of that because I upgraded the G1 to an 11-speed. I got a GRX front crank on it, and the back rear derailleur was a 105. So yeah, none of this would have worked with it. So we're going with this shit. Got a new chain, so that should work. It's just a no-name China chain. You just need a little, not a lot, just a little bit of preload on the cranks. A little bit of side load, not much. You have to crank it in, then you're going too far. That's why they're made out of plastic. They don't want you to crank the shit out of this thing and end up over torquing it and putting too much side load on the bearings, yada yada yada. And one of these days I gotta clean this mess up down here in the dungeon. That looks good. Alright. Mission 1 complete. Yeah, once again betrayed by my camera. I thought as I was building I had the camera on, but guess what? No. No camera. Pretty much done with it. I got some SPD old style Shimano pedals on it. I couldn't go with that rival. It must have a different pull ratio, because it would always skip a gear going up or down, so that didn't work. I still have to. I got the back end done. There's the cable guides I put in. I wish it was lighter in here. I gotta get a better light. It's got a little rub. I gotta adjust it. Not much. Got the seat in on. It's a shitty seat. It's a piece of shit. Yeah. Drivetrain all set up. The front is, or the rear trailer shifting down nicely. And then the front is shifting up nicely. The L2 isn't the crispest mechanical shifting derailleur out there. Yeah, I probably have to adjust it one more time. Yeah, give it a couple more. You'll have to shift up better than down. That's kind of cool. Okay. So we got that all set up. We got the whole front end set up. There's the cable guides I brazed on, and there's the front derailleur or front brake. And I found the paint was close enough. It has a little metallic in it. It's a 50 or 20 foot bike. 20 miles per hour, 20 feet away. Everybody will think it's just the coolest thing, but The other issue I'm having is with this stem is a bit long. I probably need to go with a shorter stem. That's a 100 millimeter, and I think I need to go with like a 60. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to find something that goes 60. And there's the back end again. And yeah, was kind of a budget build, gravel bike. It's 19 and a half, so it's like 56-inch frame. So look at that. I'm bending the Haro shit. Thanks for watching Vintage Dudes on Vintage Bikes. I wish I recorded more of the build. Well, how do you like that? Give me an opinion on that. I made that stiffener for the rear brake. I was gonna go with tubing, but I thought, that's easier. And it's just as effective. Not very heavy. I drilled it out for lightness. The front Haro is shifting really nice. I'm really happy with the results of that. And a quick release pincher. Not that enthused with it. It's heavy, and this thing already weighs a ton. So, the other thing I wanted to do, and then just is save these, because you can still, if you want, one can drill a hole somewhere here to put a rack on it. So that's kind of cool. Yeah. Well, like I said, thanks for watching Vintage Dudes on Vintage Bikes. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. I'm pretty thick-skinned. I'm 64 now and heard it all. So, from ex-wives and friends. So, have a good day.